Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video we will see how to make use of layers in Microsoft Paint. So let's get started. We are going to edit this image. Okay, so just do a right click. You'll get the option edit with paint. Select this and this image will open in MS Paint. Now over here top right side there is one option as a layers. Okay, so let's see what we can do with these layers. Once we click on this layers, you will see there is an option that is the background layer, and this is the image which we have opened. Okay, so let's first remove the background. I'll make use of remove background, and you can see the image background has got removed. Now let's change the background color. Let me select this. I'll click on OK. Okay, so we have added orange color in the background. Let's add one more layer. If you click on this plus icon, you'll get a transparent layer. Okay, over here there is an option to hide layer. Okay, hide and show. Okay. So we will work on this layer. So we have selected this. Let's add some paint to it. Where is the crayon? Okay, let me select this yellow. We'll increase the brush size. Let me add some effect. Okay, no need to worry if it is going over the image. I'll tell you how we can correct this. Okay, so I've added some effect over here. Now to correct this, as we are using layers, so we'll move this layer above to the top. Okay, see it has got corrected. So that's how you can add multiple layers. Okay, and you can add effects to it. Now let's add one more effect. Let me delete this. Okay, let's add a text. So let me type. I've selected text from tools. Okay, this will allow you to enter a text or type crossword. Okay, you can simply select this and change the size of the text. Let's select this 172. If you want, you can also change the font. Select this. The previous one looked better. Okay, now let's arrange this a little bit. Let me move this back. Yeah, it looks much better. Okay, see how it has got arranged behind the back of this our main subject image. Okay, you can make this. If you don't want, you can hide this. Okay, you can also show this. Now let me save this or edited image with the file. Save as, you get different options to save. I'll go with the PNG. Instead this is an image 4. I'll save this to downloads folder and save. Click on continue. Let's go to the downloads folder, and this is our edited image which we have done editing with the help of MS Paint and the layers feature. That's all for today guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.